Let's move on to next part, which is reading comprehension. So first question of reading comprehension is, which areas are most affected by incessant growth in population? Answer: the alarming and incessant growth of population is causing serious economic problems in all continents. It is exerting great pressure on arable land, water, energy, and biological resources. Certainly, with 250,000 people being added to the world population each day, the need for grains and all other food will reach unprecedented levels. Second question: why are developing countries going to suffer more due to overpopulation? Answer: the developing countries are going to suffer more due to overpopulation because the per capita availability of food grains has been declining for the past 25 years. Certainly, with 250,000 people being added to the world population each day, the need for grains and all other food will reach unprecedented levels. Third question: what is the major cause of food shortages and malnutrition? Answer: the shortage of productive fertile land combined with decreasing land productivity is the major cause of current food shortages. As the human population grows, the requirements for these resources also grow. Even if the natural resources are never depleted, on a per capita basis, they will decline significantly because they must be divided among more people. At present, fertile agricultural land is being lost at an alarming rate. Fourth question: how are water resources under great pressure? Answer: water resources critical for irrigation are under great stress as populous cities, states, and countries require and withdraw more water from rivers, lakes, and aquifers every year. A major threat to maintaining future water supplies is the continuing overuse of surface and groundwater resources. Next question: what is the effect of depletion of fossil energy? Answer: in developing countries, fossil energy has been used primarily for fertilizers and irrigation to help maintain yields rather than to reduce human labor inputs. Because fossil energy is a finite source, its depletion accelerates as population needs for food and services escalate. Thus, cost of fuel increases everywhere. Next question: what is the limitation of the improved technology? Answer: improved technology will assist in more effective management and use of resources, but it cannot produce an unlimited flow of those vital natural resources that are the raw materials for sustained agricultural production. A productive and sustainable agricultural system depends on maintaining the integrity of biodiversity, which improved technology is not capable of. Seventh question: how can sufficient food supply be made possible for the future generation? Answer: none of the measures will be sufficient to ensure adequate food supplies for future generations unless the growth in the human population is simultaneously curtailed. Hence, strategies for the future must be based on the conservation and careful management of land, water, energy, and biological resources needed for food production. Eighth question: what strategies should be adopted for a safe future? Answer: strategies for the future must be based on the conservation and careful management of biological resources needed for food production. World's population should be less than 2 billion for maintaining relatively high standard of living. Until this population is achieved, strategies for conservation of land, water, energy, and biological resources are to be implemented effectively. Thank you.